how to install charging play widget from this app on your phone. So here's the app, just open it up. Here you can see really cool charging animations. You can select those. You can see some preview, and yeah, it just makes your phone much more interesting during charging. It's pretty cool. You can, for example, with this fire, but also you can set up the widget. So here's charging widget. You can see all the widgets available, and then if you're charging your phone, you can just tap and then just tap add and then tap on charging play. There are quite a lot of different widgets. There's this one, then you can also see like that one, and then you can see all the capacity of the battery, your memory as well, and some other things. So you can then just install this widget like that, add widget, and then just tap done, and then you just have it like this. So that's basically the idea, how you install this. So and then you can just remove it. So hope that is helpful.